What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Columbus and today I'm going to explain you how to add more calories to your diet. I'm sure many of you are trying to gain muscle mass, so you have to be on a caloric surplus and you have to hit maybe 3,000 or 4,000 calories and you are having difficulties to reach these numbers. Now, just from my experience, it's not that hard to hit 3,000 or 4,000 calories. You just don't know exactly the right strategy to do this. So in this video, I'm going to explain you exactly how to do this. Before I explain you, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications by hitting the bell next to the subscribe button. Now let's jump straight into this video and let me explain you exactly how you can do this. So the first tip that I want to give you is to add homemade mass gainers to your diet. I'm sure you got sick and tired of hearing me every single time mentioning about the XC homemade mass gainers, but those mass gainers, they will add instantly 1,500 calories extra to your diet. So I have many videos on my YouTube channel where I show you exactly how to do them and what ingredients to add to those shakes in order to implement them to your diet. So make sure you add them if you want to gain muscle mass and to hit, of course, your 3,000 or 4,000 calories. Second tip that I want to give you, and I have it over here, is fruits. Always add fruits to your diet. These fruits that I have over here, which I'm going to eat them with this meal that you see, they are going to add extra 400 calories to my diet. And I really like fruits. On every single meal that I have 2 meals per day. I either have fruits or maybe the Alpron desserts, depends from my mood. Personally, I like to go for fruits and this is what I will recommend you to do as well. Third tip that I want to give you is to add some ingredients like halloumi, which is very high in calories. Sometimes I add this to my diet. In this meal over here, I don't really have it, but I have a lot of sauces which add a lot of calories to my diet. Or maybe you can add extra olive oil. Olive oil is one of the secrets of gaining a lot of calories to your diet. This is something else that I also use. Maybe you can also add peanut butter. Peanut butter is also another source of food that is going to add you a lot of easy calories to your diet. Maybe a bonus tip that I could give you, but before telling you about the bonus tip, you have to make sure that you are hitting the right protein of the day before you do this. So the bonus that I will give you is you can add some junk food to your diet, maybe some chocolates, maybe some sweets, because sweets and chocolates, they can easily add a lot of calories to your diet, but it's not really the best source of macros to add to your diet. Now, the problem with sweets is if you don't hit the protein of the day, that means you are eating a lot of calories that are not necessarily to be added to your diet. That's why I told you in the beginning, make sure you have the right protein before you adding any junk food or sweets to your diet. So those are the best tips that I could give you. The meal that you see over here, if you like it, which is really delicious, it doesn't really look really the best, but honestly I made this in like 15 minutes. The meal that you see over here can be found in my recipe book, which is specifically designed for busy people that don't have time to cook meals and want something that is extremely fast and easy to cook and also delicious. It's a very delicious meal. So make sure you check my ebook out. It's going to help you a lot. I have over 90 recipes with how-to videos on how to do each recipe. So if you are a completely beginner about cooking, this recipe book is going to help you a lot to get you started with awesome, amazing meals that are going to help you to gain muscle mass and lose fat. So that's it for today. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram at Xenios. I upload a lot of videos over there, a lot of stories on how I do it. And my next video is going to be very interesting, so make sure you tune in. As you know, I do the 30 days every day legs workout challenge. And in the next video, I'm going to describe with you my experience with doing legs every single day for 30 days. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. This is Xenios. I'm going to see you again on the next video. Take care.
Many girls just kind of are attractive because they naturally are skinny and they eat whatever the fuck they want. They don't know a lot about nutrition, etc. And it's the same with many girls that I've met and also my girlfriend, just naturally beautiful. And one thing that I realized, this is the first thing I would always tell anybody about that, is when we men decide to get into fitness and nutrition, it's a lot.